How to clear cache on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear cache files on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, cache files are just some of the temporary junk files that are always stored there on your device or the application, and in order to clear this, all you have to do is go and launch the Snapchat application here. And once you launch the Snapchat app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left and then tap the gear icon from the top right. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right, just scroll down over here and all the way to the bottom you should be able to find the option called clear cache. Make sure to tap on it and then tap the continue option in order to clear the cache for the Snapchat app. This way you'll be able to clear cache for Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.